In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to backup with Dropbox. By the end, you'll have an automatic backup running, so your important files are safely stored in the cloud. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're in, you'll land on your Dropbox home dashboard. This is the main hub where you can see your folders, files, and any recent activity. Take a moment to make sure you're on the Home or Main Files view so the menu on the left side is visible. On the left-hand column, look for the section that shows different options like Home, All Files, and so on. You should see a More option, usually represented by a small grid or similar icon. Go ahead and click on that. This expands additional tools that aren't shown in the default list. From that expanded list, click on Backup. This takes you to Dropbox's dedicated backup area, where you can manage backups for your computer and other devices. Here, you'll see any existing backups and options to create new ones. Next, click on Manage Backups. This button opens the page where you control which devices are backed up and how. If this is your first time setting things up, it may be mostly empty or show that no devices are currently configured. Now, click on Open Backup Settings. This opens a more detailed view where you can configure backup options for each device. On the left-hand side, you should see a list of devices connected to your account, such as your computer. Click on the device you want to back up in that left-hand column. This tells Dropbox, this is the computer or device I want to set up backups for. Once you've selected it, look for the option that says Enable Backup and click on it. This turns on the backup feature for that device. Dropbox will now show you a list of device files or folders you can back up, such as your desktop, documents, or other key locations. Select the files or folders you want Dropbox to protect. Be mindful of your storage limit and choose the locations that matter most. When you're happy with your selection, click on Setup. Dropbox will start the initial backup. If you click on Manage Backups again, you'll see the progress move from 0% up to 100%. You can leave this running in the background while you work, and Dropbox will continue to keep those files backed up automatically.